how much of what we know about food, or what we think we know about food, is actually true. Let's run a little test. What's going on? This is Nutrition Made Simple. On this channel, we break down the science of food for your everyday use. If you're confused about what's healthy and what's not, then these videos are for you. It's insane how many of our beliefs and ideas about food turn out to be completely false. Sometimes they're the actual opposite of the truth. So today we're going to play a little game. I think you're familiar with this structure, so let's get right into the first question. What has the most vitamin C? Option A, an orange. Option B, a stalk of broccoli. Option C is a cup of kale. And option D is an egg. Pick one, think about it. Pause the video if you need more time. Correct answers coming up in 5. And the right answer is actually the broccoli. If you said orange, don't feel bad. Most people say orange, and a medium-sized orange has around 70 milligrams of vitamin C, which is a bit more than what you need daily. The stalk of broccoli, 224% of your daily needs. Almost twice as much as the orange. The kale has 134%, and the egg has no vitamin C. All right, we got momentum. Let's get right into the second question. Which food is richest in potassium? Option A, 1 banana. Option B, a cup of spinach. Option C, 1 avocado, 1 whole avocado. And option D is a cup of black beans. Place your bets, decide, pick one, call a friend, do whatever you gotta do, Google it. And the right answer is the avocado. Although bananas are famous for having a lot of potassium, there are many foods with much more. The banana has around 400 milligrams, which is about 12% of our daily potassium needs. The cup of spinach has 5%, about half. The avocado has 27%, twice as much as the banana. And the beans also have a lot, 22%. All right, this is getting interesting. How are you doing so far? Easy, hard the questions. We got 2 left, so let's get right into the third round. This one's a nutrient that everybody talks about. Which food has the most cholesterol? Option A, a cheeseburger. Option B, 1 whole avocado. Option C, 1 egg. And option D, 1 glass of milk, whole milk. Place your bets, make a decision. Correct answer coming up in time. The right answer is actually the egg. And this one is not even close. The cheeseburger has around 60 milligrams. The avocado has 0, of course. No plant foods contain any cholesterol. The egg has almost 200 milligrams, and the milk has 24. Yeah, eggs are a cholesterol bomb. Most concentrated source of cholesterol in all of nature. All right, we're on to our fourth and last question. This one's for all the marbles, all in. All right, which food has the most calcium? Option A, a cup of milk, a glass of milk, whole milk. Option B, a cup of collard greens, cooked, steamed, or boiled. Option C is a tablespoon of sesame seeds. And option D is a slice of cheese, say cheddar cheese. Okay? This one's a little bit trickier, so take your time, pause the video if you need to think some more. And answer coming up in. And the correct answer is basically a tie between A and B, the milk and the collard greens. 27% of our daily needs in the cup of milk, 26 in the collards. So if you said milk, you were correct, but if you said the collards, you get the point as well. The seeds have 8% and the cheese has 20. Now another side of this that I want to touch on briefly is absorption, or what some people call bioavailability, the percentage of a nutrient that actually gets absorbed and utilized by your body. Let's take our top 2 foods here. The calcium in the collard greens is about 35% more bioavailable than the calcium in milk. The point I'm trying to make is not that collard greens win and you should replace your milk specifically with collard greens today. That's not what I'm trying to say. This is just an example. The take-home message here is that you don't need to eat with a calculator by your side and with an Excel spreadsheet. You don't need to obsess over a specific food to get a specific nutrient. Those are the types of arguments used by the food industry to sell their products. You have to drink milk or one of its spin-offs, otherwise your bones will disintegrate overnight. That's nonsense. Calcium is everywhere. Some foods will give you a little bit more calcium, some foods will give you a little bit less, but if you're eating a healthy diet with a variety of vegetables, you're gonna get all the calcium you need. And that's true for other nutrients as well, protein, iron, potassium, etc. As long as you have a diet with a variety of plants, you're gonna get all you need. Does that all make sense? Let me know below how you did. How many questions did you get right? How many did you find really surprising? And subscribe below for more videos coming up like this one, and I'll see you on the next one.